Another day, another story. Earning money in the digital world has become increasingly popular over the past few years. With the rise of the internet and technology, there are now countless opportunities to make money online. In this article, we'll explore some of the most popular ways to earn money in the digital world. Freelancing is a great way to earn money in the digital world. There are many different types of freelancing jobs available, including writing, graphic design, web development, programming, and more. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to find work and get paid for your services. Online surveys are an easy and convenient way to make money online. Many companies are willing to pay people for their opinions and feedback on products and services. Websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars offer paid surveys to their users. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale that is made through your unique referral link. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs for a wide range of products and services. Social media marketing involves promoting products or services on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Companies are willing to pay social media influencers to promote their products to their followers. If you have a large social media following, you could earn money by promoting products on your social media accounts. Blogging is a popular way to make money online. You can earn money through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. To start a blog, you will need to choose a niche and create high-quality content that will attract readers. Once you have built a following, you can monetize your blog through advertising and sponsorships. Selling products online. You can earn money by selling products online. Websites like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay make it easy to set up an online store and sell products to customers. You can also sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and software on platforms like Gumroad and Teachable. Online tutoring is a popular way to earn money in the digital world. You can offer tutoring services for a wide range of subjects, including math, science, language, and more. Websites like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly offer online tutoring services. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative support to businesses or individuals remotely. You can earn money by providing services like data entry, customer support, email management, and more. Websites like Upwork and Zirtual offer virtual assistant services. Podcasting is a great way to earn money online. You can earn money through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. To start a podcast, you will need to choose a topic and create high-quality content that will attract listeners. Once you have built a following, you can monetize your podcast through advertising and sponsorships. YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is another way to earn money in the digital world. You can earn money through advertising and sponsorships. To start a YouTube channel, you will need to choose a niche and create high-quality content that will attract viewers. Once you have built a following, you can monetize your channel through advertising and sponsorships. In conclusion, there are many ways to earn money in the digital world. Whether you're looking for a full-time income or just some extra cash, there are opportunities available for everyone. By exploring these options and finding the right fit for your skills and interests, you can start earning money online today. Thanks for watching.